Hi, welcome to my channel, Vendor Calls. My name is Mashudu. Today I will be using aloe vera to moisturize my dry natural hair. Aloe vera has several beauty boosting properties when used topically. The gel of aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory, soothing, moisturizing, and protective benefits for both the skin and hair. I picked some leaves from my garden and some from my aunt's garden. You can see the difference. The other ones look old, like this one right there, because it had been a couple of days. I have already allowed the latex to drain from the plant, especially the fresh ones, and washed them. I am now cutting off parts of the plant that I will not need in making my aloe vera juice, including the sharp edges of the leaf. Aloe vera can be used as is or in combination with other ingredients for the hair. The pH level is similar to that of our hair and scalp, making it safe. It is high in water content, which conditions the hair. It also treats conditions like dandruff, as it also has antifungal and antiviral properties. I always strain my juice to avoid having particles left in my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I use the aloe vera to moisturize my hair. I could only find a pump bottle, so we use what we have. I'm pumping the aloe vera juice onto the palms of my hand and applying that to the length of my twists. I do this to hydrate my strands before unraveling the twists. Because my strands are somewhat hydrated, I avoid breakage as I unravel my twists. I add more of the aloe vera juice to saturate my hair with the juice and make sure that all the strands are hydrated. The aloe vera juice is quickly absorbed as I have high porosity hair. My hair is now moisturized and feels soft after using just this one product. Aloe vera is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells in the scalp, which in turn improves the health of your hair follicles and boosts hair growth. Proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. Aloe vera is full of proteins, vitamins, and minerals that nourish the hair follicles, curbing hair fall and controlling shedding, making hair healthy and voluminous. It forms a protective layer around the strands that keeps hair consistently hydrated and safe from damaging effects of the sun and other environmental elements. Aloe vera has a chemical makeup of keratin, which is the primary protein of the hair, and as such rejuvenates the hair, imparting elasticity and minimizing breakage. It can be used as a conditioner and a detangling agent, keeping hair frizz-free, smooth, and shiny. am lightly detangling my hair. I am not going through my hair with any comb or any other kind of tool. I'm just separating the hair as I go and adding the aloe vera as I see fit. I also feel for knots and tangles and separate those with my fingers. I'm adding more juice to the ends of my hair as it is the driest part of my hair strands. I also add the aloe vera juice to the roots of my hair as it was also very dry at this point. Unfortunately, I did not record moisturizing the back of my head because I didn't want this video to be longer than it already is. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you once again. I will see you on the next one.